I saw this movie when I was in my 20s. Little did I know that some years later I would be part of this trilogy. My dear friend Vinny Costafero said to me when I got the job, "Oh my God, you're going to be in the Italian Star Wars."
My father's no different than any other powerful man who's responsible for other people.
To work with Francis, he is my brother, but my God, he's the world's greatest living director we have.
Knowing Francis and having gotten the chance to work with Francis is, one of the greatest honors of my life.
This is a great piece of his genius.
You had a great cinematographer, you had great actors, you had great text, you had great art director.
And it was a real feast of a movie. It was wonderful. It lived up to every expectation.
It was a marvel, and it still is.
This Hollywood big shot's gonna give you what you want.
He says there's no chance.
I'm gonna make him an offer he can't refuse.
To think that was 50 years ago, and I was so scared, and I had this delightful surprise that people liked it. We're grateful that Paramount has made this beautiful release of it for 50 years, and I hope that the young audiences find it to their taste.
I've been in this business 50 years, and it's nice to be able to say there are still moments that excite me and bring a tear to my eye, and this is one of those nights.
It's a shock to see that you're sometimes much more successful than you ever thought you would be.
Don't ask me about my business, Kate.
Is it true?
Leave the gun. Technical only.